Ito na, pinasok na. Number 2. Magaling din yan. Bang! Number 5, Mahon. 3 points. Magaling yan. Si number 2, mga idol. Algin Gadin. Looking for someone. And teardrop. Lumabas. Papasok kaya? Pasok. Okay, Manila Elite is leading by 1 point. Nice play! Number 7 to number 2. Aggressive na ngayon ng Manila Elite. Okay, Mintis. Number 5, fake. Tocolina. Mintis. Number 2. Kick out. Colina again. Bang! This time it's good. By the Predator ng Cebu. Nangita mong negosyong sigurado, mga idol, try nyo Laundry Business Facebook page. Carido. Nogadin. Mentes. Rebound by number 2. 2 points for Manila Elite, Ohio. Number 2, long bomb. Wala. Offensive rebound number 2. On the drive. Gets it down by number 2. Technical free throw is good. For Puz. Olago asking for the ball. Pinira. Wala. Ito na ang Manila Elite. Number 5. Binaba. Inanap si Olago. Tocarido. Wala. 56 seconds. Number 7 to number 35 to number 2. Remaining time 4 minutes and 25 seconds in the third period. Number 5. Spin move. Bang! Tugale, binalik ka Corpus. Libreng-libre. Nakuha ni Arias. Ako naman. In and out. And there's a foul. Gadin. To Arias. Sinalay kay Gadin. To Gale for 3. Wala pa rin. Here comes Manila Elite. Number 5. Oh, idol, ang daming outside shooting na hindi talaga pumapasok. Gale. Burama. Olago.